First step off the plane, salt on my lips. You smiled at the gate with a worn-out list. Room key on a shelf, sunscreen on my hands. You circled every trail and drew hearts in the sand. Thank you, Survivor Samoa Beach Resort, for the sunrise coffee on the porch, for the late night stories by the shore. I came here tired, left wanting more. Thank you, Survivor Samoa Beach Resort. You knew every name, from the bar to the dock. Taught me local slang and how to read the rocks. Tidal pool secrets, bonfires after dark. You turned passing days into little sparks.